the community is wondering when this change that was promised is going to happen and what the minister is going to do.
In an effort to promote better cohabitation between Montreal's homeless population and the community, the Quebec government announced it's rolling out the PRISM project here at Le Chaînon, a women's shelter in the Plateau, to help people experiencing mental health issues get back on their feet and find housing. This all comes amid security-related complaints surrounding some Montreal shelters, including the supervised drug inhalation site Maison Benoit Labre in the city's St-Henri neighborhood.
10 beds for women with mental health disorders living in homelessness. And the goal is to not only take care of their mental health problem, but also to take them out of the street.
Quebec's Health and Social Services Minister Lionel Carman made an announcement Monday that those benefiting from the project will be housed for 8 to 12 weeks and followed by a psychiatrist and multidisciplinary team. In 2022, more than half of the homeless people in Quebec reported having a mental health problem.
So what we're doing is really trying to take care of people with mental health disorders that are living in the streets, and which I think is at least part of the cause of the anxiety that some of the citizens.
I think that's a welcome and wonderful thing, but that doesn't deal with our immediate concerns.
The ongoing controversy about the supervised drug inhalation site is due to its location, less than 100 meters away from an elementary school. While we were near Maison Benoit Labre, we saw a man trying to force his way into the schoolyard, seeking to jump the fence just before children were coming outside. Last week, a woman in her 20s was stabbed steps away from the site.
Wednesday, during the school lunch break, there was a violent conflict between a man and a woman on the lawn outside the center, right next to the playground. And Thursday, the principal of the school had to send a letter home to parents, highlighting that during the recess, there was a person who had a moment of significant distress at the fence of the playground.
Well, look, I understand some of the concerns that parents might be expressing. I've talked to them, I've heard their concerns, and I'm sympathetic. At the same time, the announcement that was made today is a step in the right direction because it's addressing many different types of individuals who need services and who need our help.
Last month, the City of Montreal said it wants to relocate the day services of the shelter, with Welcome Home Mission stepping up to offer 100 meals daily. But some, like Michael MacKenzie, want to see more done.
It's not to say that people don't have a right to adequate mental health care and addiction support, which as a society we're woefully failing on, but our solutions aren't all equal. And this solution is not working, and we're not seeing evidence of a pivot that the minister promised us.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.